Hey guys, how's it going? So, with the new Lion King movie coming out, I thought I would show you guys how to draw a lion just like Simba. So, to start off, we're going to begin with the face of the lion. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm just going to make a line that goes down and then in a little bit like that. Then I'm going to draw a diagonal line that kind of curves in just like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then I'm going to curve it around and have it go down like this. Then I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then slowly curves back up. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make this line just a little bit longer. And then I want to work on the face. So first, I'm going to start right here at the nose, and I'm going to draw a line that goes kind of like this, almost like a mushroom shape. Then over here by this line that we made, I'm going to draw an oval. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down like this. And then another line that goes down like that. Then I'm going to draw another little line right here. And then you can add a little dot in there. Then I'm going to add another line above here, like a little curved line like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves around like that. And then I'm going to draw a few whiskers on there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to draw a kind of really zigzag line that goes all the way to the top. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm going to slowly curve it back the other way. And I just want to add a bunch of these really skinny zigzag lines. Then I'm going to start under here and I'm going to make these zigzag lines kind of come down all the way to about here. Then I'm going to bring these lines up. I'm going to continue doing that zigzag pattern and I'm going to connect them just like this. Then right here I'm going to draw the ear. So I'm going to draw a line that just goes up and then down like this. Then I'm going to connect it with a zigzag line. Then I'm just going to make another nice little curved line in there for the inside of the ear. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight and then it's going to kind of slowly curve down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then out at an angle and then it's going to curve right about here. Then I'm going to just kind of round off the end of this. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right here for a toe. Then I'm just going to bring this up and then curve it back here. And then I'm just going to bring it right up in here into the body. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down. It goes in, and then it's going to come back out like this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out for part of the foot. Then I'm going to draw another toe right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up like this and then comes back. And I'm going to end it right about there. I don't want those two lines to touch. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that comes down, and it's going to kind of curve up. And then I'm going to keep it skinny towards the end, and then I'm going to make it get a little bit wider as it comes up back to the body. Then I'm just going to add some zigzag lines on here and just kind of make the end of the tail. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to curve it around for another foot. Then I'm going to draw another line for a toe. And then I'm just going to curve it up back to the body like that. Then I'm going to draw another line right here that curves right there. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down, curves around for another foot. Draw another little curved line for a toe. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, back to the tail. Then you can add some extra details on here if you want. You can add some extra little lines and stuff onto your lion, just for some little detailed spots and everything. You can add a little bit of texture and everything onto the mane by making some different size lines. All sorts of things you can do just to make it look a little bit more realistic. I might add another little line, couple lines right down here for the face. And there you go. There is your drawing of a lion for the upcoming Lion King movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.